What if I told you your CPA firm may be losing revenue? Not because of competition, but because of missed follow-up, scattered client data, and no visibility into opportunities. Let's do a quick self-check for CPA firm owners listening, okay? How many of you track prospect in Excel? How many depends on email threads to remember client discussion? How many only realize revenue time when it's already too late? If any of that sounds familiar, today's episode is for you. Welcome back to Zentalks. Today we are focusing on one specific industry, CPA firms, and more importantly, how CRM can completely change the way a CPA firm manages clients, renewals, advisory service, and growth. To break this down, I'm joined by Mr. Anirudh, who has worked with multiple CPA firms, helping them structure client workflows and CRM system. Welcome back, Anirudh.
Thank you, Namrata, for having me. Glad to be here today.
Yeah, I'm excited too. In fact, all the CPA owners listening might be too. So let me cut down all our small talks and go to the point straight, okay? Let's start simple. Why do CPA firms specifically need CRM?
Well, mostly because CPA firms operate on like relationships, renewals, and like recurring engagements. And generally, without the CRM, your leads get missed. Follow-ups depend on like memory, renewal dates slip, and then cross-sell opportunities like completely disappear at that point. Advisory work is also not structured, and then CPA firms often manage clients in accounting software, but not their pipeline.
Like, what are their common mistakes?
Three major ones to be exact. So you have using email as a client management system. That's the most common one. Then you have like no structured sales or onboarding pipeline. And then no visibility into renewal cycles. And then like most CPA firms are extremely excellent in like financial compliance, but not really that great in terms of like structured business development. Not that great. And mainly during tax seasons, firms receive like dozens or like hundreds of inquiries, and CRM generally helps a lot in that case. So you get like capture every inquiry automatically, assign leads to partners, track documents, submission status, and then like monitor return filing progress also. So basically like no missed clients, no last minute chaos. Let's say a bookkeeping client, their revenue grows by 30%. Without CRM, nobody really flags it. And then with CRM though, your revenue growth triggers like advisory opportunity, your partner gets the notification, a proposal is sent automatically, and like, higher value engagement is also created over that. And that's how like most firms move from like compliance to advisory. And little heads up to you, this will either take up a lot of points, or how do you want me to do it? Do you want to give it to you by points, or do you want me to like go through it just by like conversation wise?
I think we will go by points, because from next episode we will split it like
fair enough. Yeah, actually. In that case, I would say like the next segment, CRM basically allows you to work through is like high value clients. You get compliance only clients, advisory clients, and at risk clients. And your partners know where to focus on time. And then your CRM pipelines, they also give you like expected revenue for your next month. Advisory conversion rates, partner-wise performance, lead source, ROI. And the firm growth becomes extremely predictable with these factors added in.
So what is the real outcome of CRM for CPA firms?
Well, the biggest benefit that CRM usually gets CPA firms is that it kind of like creates a very predictable revenue. You get extremely structured client onboarding, higher advisory penetration, renewal protection, most important, and you get like extremely clear visibility as well. And then instead of like reacting during tax season, you operate strategically all through the year, which makes things quite easy, honestly.
Okay, we'll go to our last segment, which is like quick rapid fire. You ready?
Oh yeah, bring it.
Okay, is CRM only for big CPA firms?
Absolutely not. In fact, small and mid-sized CPA firms would really need it more, because when your team is small, one missed follow-up impacts like revenue completely. And then CRM gives you that structure even when resources are like extremely limited as well.
Great. Like, what's the biggest revenue leak in CPA firms?
I'd say like untracked renewals and like missed advisory opportunities. So most firms lose growth not because the clients leave, but because they never really upsell like higher value services.
Okay, next question. If a CPA firm implements CRM tomorrow, what's the first measurable impact?
Ooh, visibility.
Okay.
So in that case, with visibility, you instantly see like active prospects, renewal pipelines, partner workload, expected revenue, and then this clarity, like I said before, extremely reduces chaos.
Okay. One sentence. What does CRM truly do for a CPA firm?
Well, in a single sentence, CRM turns a compliance-driven firm into a predictable growth-driven advisory practice. Very technically sounding, but yeah, one sentence.
Okay, great. That's been a lot of information, Anirudh. Thanks for joining me today.
Absolutely, no worries.
Okay. So, if you're running a CPA firm and still managing clients through emails, spreadsheets, and memory, it's time to move from reactive to structured growth. Because the future of CPA isn't just filing returns, it's building relationship, protecting revenue, and scaling advisory with system. And we are providing a business audit form free, link in the description. Thank you for listening to the Zentalks. We will see you in the next episode.